Hello, Grog the Zombie here with my good friend Sheep. Today, Sheep and I are visiting Washington, D.C. Say hello, Sheep. Hi. All summer long, we are going to visit really cool places and share everything that we find out about them as we travel all over the country. Sheep, what can you tell us about where we are today?
Thank you for asking, Grog. Today, we are at the Lincoln Memorial Reflecting Pool. The Lincoln Memorial Reflecting Pool was designed in 1922 by Henry Bacon.
Whoa, this place amazing. Me love it up here. Me can see all over Washington, D.C. What's that big thing all the way down there, that tower?
Oh, Grog, that's the Washington Monument.
Wow. Look at all that water. I could go for a swim.
Grog, the pool wasn't designed to swim in. I've told you that like 12 times now. The pool is really quite marvelous. It's over 2,000 feet long, and it's only 18 inches deep on the side and 30 inches deep in the center.
Whoa, it looks really deep from up here.
I know, right? It also holds over 6 million gallons of water.
Wow, me like this reflecting pool a lot. Hey Grog! This is gonna be hilarious. Hey Grog! Jenny! Forrest! Jenny! Forrest!
Guys, calm down. Yes, they did film a scene from Forrest Gump here. Yes, it was really cool. But you cannot run and play in the water like Forrest and Jenny did.
Oh man, I bet President Obama and Michelle get to play in the reflecting pool all the time. Yeah, that's so not fair, man.
Well, thanks for watching, everybody. Here we are at the Lincoln Memorial Reflecting Pool, and keep watching all summer long as we visit more interesting and cool places.
Have a good day, everybody. Yeah, I'm getting in anyway. Yeah!